Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back once again. I have come here for the MCQs as we had a lot of MCQs from the first chapter, that is economics first chapter, development. I am very much thankful to you all that you are watching these videos and giving feedback also. I am happy and you have given encouragement to make the more MCQs on these topics. One by one I am sending MCQs from every topic of the chapters, that is first chapter. From the first chapter development I have sent the MCQs of this development, that is one by one, that is different development promises different people different goals, then income and other goals, then again national development. Next one is how to compare the different countries with or different states. We had studied and we had talked about this, we had discussed about this. And next, income and other criteria. I found encouragement that I am very my MCQs are helping you to find this capture, or the examination can be easily attempted by you. Today we are going to talk about the public facilities. Public facility, as we have known that the income of individual person can buy their individual needs or individual goal. The development of individual goal can be obtained by their income. But if the public facilities, if the facilities of the environmental, pollution free environment, or the education, or the medical facilities can be obtained by the public facilities, it cannot, the money cannot buy all these things. The all these on this topic we are going to talk about the questions. Let us start. First of all, let us talk about this table. This table is given in your book and it's very important table. On the basis of this table we can't learn by heart or we can't wrote these datas. There is no need of learning or rote learning of these datas, but if one view is very much necessary to know the data about whatever the given the Sri Lanka, India, Myanmar, Pakistan, Nepal and Bangladesh, the neighboring countries. It is talk about the gross national income or per capita income of 2011, life expectancy at birth, that is 2017's mean year of schooling of people aged 25 and above. The next topic is HDI. HDI means Human Development Index. Human Development Index rank in the world in 2018. These are what is HDI. HDI stands for Human Development Index. It ranks in the above table. At least the India ranks 189 out of 189 countries. The ranking are given here. Out of 189 means almost eastern countries, southeastern countries, that is it is calculated. United National Development Program in the New York, this report is given. This report is given by the Human Development Report. Next is life expectancy at birth denotes, the name suggests average expectation of length of life of a person in all the countries from the birth to death, up to death. How many years the people live, कितने साल लोग एवरेज में रहते हैं. These kind of things are calculated by the Human Development Report. Okay, and they have reported from the from the calculation of 189 countries. Then per capita income is calculated in dollars. As we know that per capita income is calculated in dollars, not in any other currencies, okay, for all the countries, so that it can be compared, because only one currency can be common for everyone, every country na. That is why the dollar is taken a common currency. It is also done in a way so that every dollar would buy the same amount of goods, services in any country, okay. Here Sri Lanka's gross national income in 2011 is 11,326, and their life expectancy is at least 75 and more. People live more than 75 years, up to, mostly people live up to 75 years. In India it is up to 68 years, in Myanmar 66 years, Pakistan most of the people die up to 66 years, Nepal 70 years, and Bangladesh 72. Out of given these countries, India ranks up second, in front of the Sri Lanka. It is the, I think, third rank. Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, then after that India comes. Mean year of schooling, that is 10 to 9 points. India has a 6.4, and other countries are having the very less schooling attendance. Then HDI, that is Human Development Index of India, is 130, means out of 189, India ranks in the human development, means the public facilities or the development of the humans is almost more in India, that is 130. The more than India, the Pakistan ranks 150, then Nepal 149. Then let us talk about the question now. The first question: which of the following neighboring countries of India has higher human development index? Highest human development index. Just before it we had talked about this. In these countries, out of in these countries, which one has having the highest human development index? That is Sri Lanka, okay. We had studied that is human development index, that is Sri Lanka. The next one is, what is the full form of PDS? What is the full form of PDS? That is, first one is public distribution system, public development system. Before starting this, let me tell you that if I'll give the answers, then also before giving my answer, you try to answer before me, so, and write in your copies that how many answer you can answer before telling the answer from me, okay. It will definitely encourage you to do the other MCQs, okay, and calculate at last how many answers you have given correctly before, without my help also, okay. So what is the full form of PDS? That is public distribution system, public development system, public division system, public discussion system. What can be answer? PDS means public distribution system. The answer is public distribution system. The next question is, UNDP can be expanded as United Nations Development Program, United Nations Diversity Playground, United Nations Democratic Program, or none of these. What can be the answer? Write it first, then wait for me. Pause the video, answer it, then start the video once again. The full form or expansion of UNDP is United Nations Development Program. United Nations Development Program. The next question is, Kerala has a low infant mortality rate. As we have read that Kerala has a low infant mortality rate in the last column, okay, last table. What could be the reason? What is the reason behind it? Find the correct answer from the following. This is analyzing question, okay. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because all the girls are trained at the primary level schooling to look after a newborn children. Yes, it is true. It can be true. It is very much, it can be true because the learning or in education field, the every in nowadays the field in girls are taught to how to then how to tackle with the newborn children, newborn child. Next is option is because most of the girls are nurses in Kerala. This can't be the reason that most of, we can't stereotype, na? We can't stereotype the people that most of the Keralian girls are nurses, most of the Odishan peoples are the doctors. Na? We can't stereotype anybody. So it is not at all correct. It is not at all correct. So the next one is, it is totally wrong because Kerala has very high female literacy rate and adequate health facilities are available for both mothers and children. Yes, it is, na? But we have to read other options also, okay. Maybe the other option can be more correct than this option, okay. Before thinking, don't correct any option. Kerala's good climatic conditions help infant to survive. Yes, it is also can be correct. C option is also correct because the climatic condition is also favorable for the children or for the survival. Then infant mortality rate, the teaching of or the training of the girls started from the schooling only. This can, but more appropriate answer is because the Kerala has very high female literacy, okay. It is very much correct, and adequate health facilities are available for both mothers and children, okay. The next question is, which one of the following criteria is the basis to measure the development of a country according to UNDP? You have to comment that how many students had given the correct answer and how many of you had given how many questions correctly, okay. Which one of the following criteria is the basis to measure the development of a country according to UNDP? What is UNDP? We had known that United Nations Development Program is UNDP, United Nations Development Program. So which criteria they use to know about this? Per capita income, okay, per capita income, education levels of the people, health status of the people, or all the above? Come on, give me the answers, beta. Per capita income, education levels of the people, health status of the people, or all the above? Yes, per capita income is also included. On the basis of per capita income, the development of any country is calculated. Then education level of the people is also there, health status of the people is also there. So if there is the option all the above, then we have to tick the all the above, okay. If there is no option of all the above, in that case we have to correct the answer per capita income, Okay, but if there is not given all the above, if there is written all the above, means all the necessary things, that is education, health, per capita income is also necessary. The next question is, over the past decade or so, dash indicates have some come to be widely used along with income as a measure of development. What is the base used along with the measure of development with the income? You have the income is the main base. After that, which one is the which one indicates the for the development criteria? Okay, means question is that income is the main base of calculating criteria for the calculation of the development, but along with the income what can be others? That is health and nutrition. Yes, it is also necessary. Health and income. Yes. Child, other than income, the question is other than income. Child development, yes. Human development, yes. Then which one? Past indicate that which one is the base? That is human development. In every this means health and nutrition is also necessary. Okay, it is also correct. Child development is also correct. In health and income, it can be excluded because income is automatically is there. No need of writing this. But and human development is also necessary. So for the human development, health and nutrition can come, health can come, child development can come. So we can say that human development is perfectly and the correct answer of this question. That is, over the past decade or so, human development indicates have come to be widely used along with the income as a measure of development. Okay, beta? The next question is, according to the Human Development Report 2018, United Nations Development Program, that is UNDP, which two countries have a higher life expectancy at the birth rate than India? Which two countries? You have to write the two countries having more higher life expectancy at birth rate, from the birth rate more than India. What is that? Sri Lanka and Myanmar, Pakistan and Nepal, Pakistan and Bangladesh, and Nepal and Bangladesh. As we have seen this table, you can see, turn your page and see that which country, that is India, Sri Lanka is more than life expectancy. Sri Lanka is more than, then Nepal, Bangladesh. There is no chance of Pakistan and Myanmar. Means only the Nepal, Myanmar. That is Nepal, Bangladesh. Where is that? I think we have Nepal and Bangladesh. The answer is Nepal and Bangladesh. The correct answer. The next one is India's HDI, Human Development Report rank. Means Human Development Index. In Human Development Index, the rank of India in the world is. What is the rank? Can anybody tell me without turning the table? That is 130. That is 130. This data is not possible to come on in the examination, but maybe we have to be ready for this data also. The next question is, life expectancy at birth means life expectancy at birth. Just I have, before starting the questions, I have explained, that is average expected length of life of a person at the time of the birth. Then average expected length of life of a person at the time of death. No, The average expected length of a child at the time of the birth. Child, none of this. See the answer. Very, very critical and very important to hear. See, average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth is the correct answer. Okay, is the correct answer. But क्या हो गया? ये रही. So, what do you say? Here, the answer is average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. Okay, and the answer is the average expected length of a child at the time of birth, because the child's birth, there is the answer, na? Child, when a person by birth has a birth, they are the child. Okay, babies. So what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Tell me. Turn over the table and see the definition of life expectancy at earth. There is written that is life expectancy at birth denotes, as the name suggests, average expected length of a life of a person at the time of birth. So don't confuse. When we will see this answer, you can say that this can be answer the correct. But if the this option is given child and person, you have to choose one, and which one is correct? That is the first one. Okay. The next question is, which among the following is not a public facilities? Transport and electricity, it is the public facilities. Road and bridges, it is the public facilities. Water parks, it is the public facilities. Government hospitals, it is the public facilities. Which one is correct? The water parks. Water parks. Which one is correct? Water parks. Why? Because it is organized by the private institutions, not by the government. So the whatever organized by the government is considered as the public facilities. So the correct answer is water park. Children, calculate how many answers you have given by yourselves. Okay. The next question is, the dash help in maintaining the nutritional levels of poor people by providing food at lower cost. Which body or which institution help in maintaining nutritional values or nutritional levels of poor people by providing food at lower cost? That is body mass index. You know what is body mass index? Body mass index is calculation of a body according to their calculation of body according to their nutritional health. It is the calculation criteria. Public distribution system, gross national income, human development index. Which one is correct? That is public distribution system. The correct answer is public distribution system. Check out the maintaining the nutritional values, nutritional levels of poor people. The next question is, for calculating body mass index, weight of a person is divided by what? Square of weight, or the square of the height, or the square of the age, or square of the sum of the height and weight. Answer it fast. Square of the weight, square of the height, square of the age, or square of the sum of the height or and weight. The correct answer is square of the height. Okay. The next question is finish. Thank you very much, students. We'll meet you next time. Thank you.